I say that when her beef comes strong for where I did, go to say her. The other
Hey. Oh my god. So it's been I think 2 days since I came to Abuja. I've been sleeping my eyes out and I'm super tired. So I just did my eyes like this. Who is this person here? Who are you? It's so cute. Who are you? Fine girls. Who is that one?
Brian.
See his face. Is he orange sweet? So people are looking at it like this. So it's been 2 days, I think. People are back. That's grandma. Since that they went to the market. Let's see what I have there.
and the soup wey you dey cook with that.
You're not going to see my money back come back from market. Is this the cloth you want to give her?
I say this. I'm not giving that.
It's better you just keep it here now.
No, not because if we doing it in the same way. You don't need that in that and
Child, thank you. I'm coming. So it's been like 2 days I came. 2 days? Okay, yeah, 2 days I came to this place and I've been resting. I just observed that that's my village friend. That's a village friend over there. So I've been sleeping. I just noticed that, hey God, I've been stressing myself too much in that place I'm coming from. So I've been sleeping and sleeping and sleeping, and yeah, this hair, it came out nice. Is this rainy hair that everybody's doing? I decided to do it. My own don't get a CP. But then I'm enjoying the hair. The hair is nice. It's just like I packed it upwards because I don't want to. Who is this person looking orange here? Because Singapore. Yeah. So I'm waiting for grandma. Grandma went to the market. We want to cook a fan soup. You go stay chop now, Shibi. Soup in the never even start. I swear. I'll go one white soup more chop. White soup. So we're waiting for grandma. I made my nails. I don't know if this trip was not planned. Not like it wasn't planned, it was rushed because I had limited time to prepare for the trip and it was so much. But then I had to quickly make my hair and then I made my nails. So this is a press-on actually, not like I did something serious. Me, I'm press-on 5 and 6 because I have to resume work and I have to remove all the things. So I made my nails, made my hair. I was supposed to do lashes, but it was going to be a lot. I just left it. But that's it. I just decided to come and give you guys an update as to my trip. I'm in Abuja. But fortunately, before this video goes up, I think I would have even gone back. Because this trip is a trip. This one is not a trip. You know when they say trip? The trip is not supposed to last for more than 1 week. Or more than even 4 days. This is it. Anyway, see you guys later. Bye.